After the printing, shovel the model down. Wash it with alcohol levels of 95% or more to clean the resins on the surface. Then do the post-curing. Remove the support. Simply polish the support bond on the surface. Install the guide ring and check it whether it is too loose or too tight. Next, do the disinfection, immersing the model in iodide for 30 seconds. And then wash it with the medical alcohol and physiological saline. Last, check whether the sky ring is in place completely. If not, we can press it in place with surgical equipment.